What's up, guys? In another video. In this video, today we're gonna hit 11 likes because last video was pretty sick. Kind of sick. We saw in the movie fridge video. Today we're doing unboxing. This is my first unboxing video with me. So come on, just dropping the camera. So yeah, let's do it. I want to make more Minecraft videos and stuff like that. Skatery. Stuff like that. So here we're gonna box the new Nintendo 3DS. So guys, all you guys are going over there to the store buying Nintendo 3DSs. So yeah, I just got me one. So this one is the Galaxy one. This one's the new Galaxy one. It's free lit. So yeah. In the back, we have a bunch of things to learn. There's like a lot of things you can do with this Nintendo 3DS. You can go to Nintendo eShop and stuff like that. And on the bottom, it doesn't require with a battery. So I got that, and it doesn't come with a battery cord. You can charge with your Nintendo 3DS. So yeah. You hear the music because we do it like that. So yeah. Okay, now let's do. And there's a lot more warnings on back. And here's Nintendo 3DS logo. So yeah, it only comes with the manual and the 3DS. That's it. And they just delivered the cards to me. So the cards are at my desk. So first, we get the manual. Pretty nice manual. Here's Spanish right here. Here's Spanish page. There's a lot of stuff you can do with this Nintendo 3DS. So I'm not going to read it all. Probably later. Probably not later. Probably never or something. But this is, you can actually do stuff with it. You can just read the whole manual and done. And your mom wants to just what's this Nintendo 3DS? Go to the Nintendo page that says Spanish words, and she can read it. Yeah, these are a lot of Spanish words. So yeah, it's nothing to do. Here we have the Nintendo 3DS. Okay. You guys have seen the front. I don't know what it looks like in the front. So let's see. Oh, bro, dude. There's no way this Galaxy is super. Oh my gosh, just look at this Nintendo 3DS. Look at that. So this is a big larger, because the last larger ones were not good. So they had to make a DS and 2D, 3D. Ooh, it looks so fine. Oh, it looks so fine. There's a game inside here. I just found out there's a game inside there. I'm going to keep this game. And I have more games upstairs, so no matter. Yes, I can play my own Nintendo 3D. This. It can actually fit in my pocket. It can fit in your pocket. Bro, that is super sick. It can fit in your pocket. This is kind of like like the way that you hold a iPhone 6 Plus. Those are giant iPhones. And we have new ZL and ZR back here. New clips like. So yeah. And there's a Nintendo 3DS XL logo. This is XL version, not Nintendo 3DS XL version. And yep, there's a lot of new stuff. There's the power button. There's a thing. There's a headphone jack. So let's do it. There we go. And it has a new side stick. into it. New sight stick you can use. And look at this fine style. It was ugly because they put blue on here. They could just put red or something like that. So yeah, it's pretty stupid. But when you see it in the, like, when you turn it on, it's better. So yeah. And look at this. Where's the volume? The volume used to be right here, but where is it? Oh, that is cool. We have the 3D right here, like it always is, and the volume right here. Is that freaking sick? Oh my god, bro. We have the volume at the side. I didn't even know that. So, yeah, and the home button there. You don't have to, you select and, so see, this other one, start, select and start. Buttons are right here at the edge, right here. So that is super sick. And now the moment of truth. Please, I'm not gonna open my eyes. Please tell me what it looks like. What did I just press? Bro, it gave me 3 games. And I got a new game. I just got a new game now. Okay, I'm going to Nintendo eShop. If you can see here, we're going to Nintendo eShop. And my name is X77. I put my old account on here, so yeah, no matter. So yeah. SD card. I forgot these. You can buy any SD card. It's just like 3 gigabytes, like 25 gigabytes on this. And let me download another demo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm downloading another demo on here. Damn, that's loud. So thank you. Download later, because I don't want to download this now. I don't want to have fun yet, because I'm not going to spoil anything. My last Red 3DS, with the last video, with like the second video I just posted, like Junior's 3DS, I just played a little bit. It was like 10 o'clock. If you want to go see that video, go to my channel and go type in playtime in my channel, and you'll see all the videos. What I did, the first video, I just put on like some more information and stuff like that. So yeah, and I played one of these in my video. So yeah, if you want to go see that, just type in playtime, and it will just see. Type in playtime, my channel, and there you go. I guys, you still have 1 subscriber. That's it. I'm disappointed. I want to be impressed, guys. Please. You don't know how tough it took me to go this far. Come on, guys. Give me some more luck. And show that we can go do some more stuff. So, yeah. We were pressing continue. So, let's go back home. It gave me 2 games for free. Right here, 2 games. Bro, it gave me 2 games. That is super lucky. Well, thank you for watching this video unboxing the new Nintendo 3DS. I'm gonna make a video of this video playing like Pokemon right here. We're gonna play like Pokemon Ruby World or something like that. I'll put it on 3D, that's why. But I'm not gonna read it right now. So yeah, I put it on 3D, that's why. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, leave a like, 11 likes today. So yeah, can we beat that? Yes, we can. I think we can. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. And I'll see you guys later in the next episode tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye. Forgot something to say. Guys, give me that golden play button, cause I'm gonna be uploading all these videos, bro. And I'm only 9 years old. So yeah, hope you leave a like and thank you. Leave 11 likes. So. Bye guys. I'm still here because I'm just looking something up. So yeah, bye guys.